Alright, so here we are about to head to my parents' house, knock out this work. You dig what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. You dig?
Money can't be my only motivation. The world too big, everything saturated. I'm just trying to live life and make it amazing. Never was the past